Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your visibility and change your name of your app on the Clarifai website. So let's get this started. So first of all, what we have to do simply, we have to go to our website. We have to go to our account, and after going to the account, we have to choose the template. So you can see I've already choose the template, and after that, we have to edit the name. For example, I'm going to edit the name like that. So as you can see, I have choose this name, and now I'm going to click on the save. And after clicking on the save, the operation can have unintended side effects. So let's click on the confirm. So as you can see now this is, and if you want to change this one, you can also do that. And now here's an option for the edit visibility. So we have to click on the edit visibility. And now you will be able to see the controls of the visibility. Like if you want to do this public or if you want to make it private, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to make it public. And now let's click on the confirm. And after clicking on the confirm, so as you can see, it will be published to the publicly. So now visibility is here. And as you can see, the name is also changed here. If you want to change this, you can also do that. The input options are also provided. If you want to add the input, you have to click on this plus icon. You will be able to add the inputs as well. So in this way, you can change the name, and in this way, you can change the visibility of your app on the Clarifai website. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.